Now, this is how you can merge videos together on an iPhone. So open up the App Store and then download the CapCut Video Editor. Then once the app is downloaded, I want you to just open it up and click on the blue plus button to start a brand new project. Then from the options which appear, at first you need to of course grant the app access to your photos and videos if you haven't done that already, but then it moves you over to the video section. So choose the videos you want to merge together. It can be as many as you want, and you also need to select them in the order which you want to merge them together in. So you can select a bunch of different videos, click on add, and then they will be part of your timeline. You can perform some other edits if you want, but it's not necessary. Once you are happy with the result, you can click on export in the top right corner and you will essentially merge the videos together. One last tip, you should pay attention to the watermark, which is probably at the end of the video. So you don't need to have that. You can delete it like this and your videos will be clean. Now that's how you can merge videos together on the iPhone. Let me know below if the method worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.